Hello, what's going on, my friend? This is Emmanuel Adegbola, aka the Forex Apostle, and I want to welcome you to today's video. Today's video, we're going to be looking into four determining factors in Forex trading. Four determining factors in Forex trading. That is, what are those four things that determines when you buy or when you sell a particular currency, okay, or currency pairs. So that's what we're going to be looking into in today's video. But before we continue, every week you have an opportunity to win, cash gift from us by liking our video, by subscribing to our YouTube channel, by leaving your comment and your questions below this video, and also by sharing this video on your Facebook profile. So in order for you to win 7,500 Naira cash gift next week, Monday, when we pick our winners, so all you need to do right now is like this video, okay, leave your comment, share this video on your Facebook profile, and subscribe to this channel if you have not done that. Okay, let me give you 30 seconds to do that before we continue. All right, so welcome back. So today we're going to be looking into four determining factors in Forex trading, okay? Four things that determines when you buy or when you sell in Forex. So number one is what I call the technical indicators, okay? These are technical indicators. You see, when you have all of these trend lines, oscillators, volume, so these are all indicators that were, developed, some of them over 20, 30, 40, 50 years ago, some of them 1960 something, some of them 1970 something. These technical indicators, they are great, they are very, very useful, but the problem there is that most of these technical indicators were actually created to trade stocks, not Forex, okay? But one way or the other, people began to use them to trade Forex. And most of these technical indicators, okay, they were created when there was nothing like Facebook, Amazon, Tesla, all this artificial intelligence trading, software trading. So all these technical indicators were not there then. So people are still using them, okay, to trade Forex. And of course, you will agree with me that Forex trading today is different to what used to be 10 years, 15, 20 years ago. So technical indicators are great, but of course, there are better ways to use them. And of course, starting from tomorrow, I'm going to be looking into 12 Forex technical indicators to avoid like plague. Okay, we're going to be looking into them tomorrow. So one of the factors that determines when you buy or when you sell are technical indicators. I mean, for example, simple technical indicators like a moving average. Somebody might just, okay, you know what, this is a 50 moving average. When the price is above it, you are looking to buy. When the price is below 50 moving average, you are looking to sell. That is if you are dealing with medium trend. If you're a short-term trader, you are looking like, maybe you are considering like 20 simple moving average. And if you are a long-term, trend trader, you are looking to like 200 moving average, and so on and so forth. So, but do you trade with just only the trend line alone? Okay, so all those will start looking into them starting from tomorrow. So the first factor that we consider, okay, when it comes to Forex, to know when to buy or when to sell, number one of them is what? Technical indicator. Okay, that is the first one. The second one, of course, is what I call fundamental analysis. Okay, fundamental analysis, and that is when we're talking about news. Fundamental analysis, that is when you know, okay, whether it is right time for you to buy or to sell. For example, I'm creating this video now by 8:18 a.m. Central Time. Okay, there is a news coming up, okay, there's going to be a news coming out by 8:30. That is in the next 12 minutes. So even if I have a trading opportunity now to trade, let's say Euro USD or any USD PS, I will not take that trade. Why? Because there's a news coming up in the next 12 minutes. So if I take that trade right now, it might be impacted negatively by the news. Okay, so that's the second thing that we consider when it comes to what trading. The second factor that determines when we buy or when we sell. The third one, of course, is what is called sentiment analysis. Okay, sentiment. Sentiment in the sense that I might be looking at 1 minute and another trader is looking at daily chart, and two of us, we are right based on what we are looking at. But the question now is, okay, who is more right? Who dominates? Who wins? Like, for example, you see this. Okay, you see this is downtrend right now. This is downtrend, and of course this is 1 hour chart. So now somebody might look into this and say, okay, yeah, the trend is down, right? That is that person's sentiment and looking at the market. Meanwhile, another person can just look at let's say like a weekly chart and say, okay, the chart is up. Why? Because the price is above the 50 moving average when it comes to weekly. And another person can just look into 5 minutes chart and say, okay, the trend is down. Another person can look into 30 minutes. So what we're saying in essence is that the sentiment analysis depends on individual traders, and this is what also influences when you buy and of course when you sell. The last one is the price action. Price action. What matters most when it comes to Forex, after all, is price. So what is the price doing? The technical analysis, the fundamental analysis, the sentiment analysis, all this doesn't really matter that much. But the price, what is the price doing at that particular time? So we're going to start looking into all of these four factors one after another. But starting tomorrow, we're going to start looking into technical indicators. Out of all of these thousands of technical indicators, I mean, in my 12 years or 13 years trading experience, trust me, I have used bunch of them. And I will tell you confidentially, I will tell you, categorically, and I will tell you seriously right now that most of these technical indicators, they are just junks. They are junks. That is why you keep losing money. And of course, that is why I don't use most of them. Even the one I use, I make sure that I don't use them alone. I combine it with another one, and of course all of this I will start revealing starting from tomorrow. For example, I have my own developed, proprietary software that I built. Okay, I prefer this than this. Okay, this is 1 hour. I prefer using this to trade than this, because number one, I'm very visual person. I love to just, I love colors, and that is why when you see me, of course, you know that I really am a visual person. I love colors, and of course, that is why I use Tradermatic trading system for everything I do. Okay, so we're going to start looking into all of this starting from tomorrow. Once again, I want to say a very big thank you. And if you have not liked this video, make sure you go ahead, like this video. If you have not left your comment, leave your comment. If you have questions, leave your comment below this video. And of course, if you have not shared this video, make sure you share this video so that you will have chance to win 7,500 Naira cash gift if I'm from Nigeria. And if you are not from Nigeria, you will win the equivalent amount in your currency, and of course we will send it directly to you. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video once again, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a blessed day.